Hi, I'm Deborah Boschert. I am an artist, author, and teacher. I make art quilt collages layering fabric, paint, and stitch, and people ask me all the time, how did I find my voice? And I think it's a great question, and I have thought a lot about it, and I have developed this presentation, which I call Head, Heart, and Hands, Developing Your Creative Voice. So I have this framework that I think is really helpful for a creative practice of thinking about head, heart, and hands and maximizing what's going on in each of them. So the head part of this framework is the ideas that you're interested in exploring, and the heart is the things that make you excited, the areas where you really feel momentum, and the hands section are the techniques and skills that you use in your own creative practice. So in this presentation, I am going to share with you more details about each of those sections. I'll tell you a little bit about how they apply to my own creative practice by showing you some of the art quilt collages that I have created and telling you about how each of those elements come into play for me. I'm going to also share with you some artwork from other artists, and we'll think about how they do things differently. I have some ideas from experts that you might find helpful in your own creative practice. And then I also have several exercises and action items for you to take to your own creative practice so that you can really lean in, focus on, and zoom in on maximizing each of those sections that are unique to you. So this presentation comes with a lecture download, which includes all of the lecture basics, the outline, the notes, so that you don't have to write down every word I say. And the action items and exercises are also listed, plus lots of space for you to make your own notes. And then I've also listed all of the other experts and artists who I am sharing with you as part of the lecture, part of the presentation. So whether you are a brand new artist just working on figuring out how to make your own unique, original work, or if you are an artist who has been making wonderful, unique, creative work for years, I really think that some of the ideas in this presentation might be helpful for you in further developing, beginning where you are and figuring out where you want to go. So this lecture, Developing Your Creative Voice, is going to give you lots of resources that I hope will make a positive impact on your creative practice.